In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S9 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and look for microphone icon at the top. If you can't see it, select those three dots at the top right corner. Then look for voice input option over here. And when you find it, hold it and drag it to this top bar. Then let go and click on it. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, click on this big button with a microphone. To go back to your standard keyboard, click on this keyboard icon at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!